So I know I said I wasn't going to continue with Eat Holy, but after my 2 days of trying them out, I couldn't help myself. I decided to subscribe to them. And it is quite pricey, so I'm only going to be using it for a couple weeks at a time, and then pausing my subscription and then kind of using it as and when I can. And I'll be using it in place of when I might buy a takeaway, because this is much healthier than a takeaway, and you get more than one meal, whereas a takeaway is just one meal. So they have provided this lovely welcome note, and it says, "Welcome to Holy. We're so excited for you to join us on our journey of improving people's health and well-being, all while," what's that? Threading. Is that meant to be treading or threading? All while threading a little lighter on the planet. Very nice, very nice. Why get Holy? It's 100% plant-based, gluten-free and organic, crafted by chefs, designed by nutritionists, nutritionally complete with over 30 key nutrients, endorsed by doctors, backed by science, the ability to track all macros, vitamins and nutrients, and fully customizable and delivered straight to you. That looks nice right there. Our food philosophy. Our philosophy is that everyone should introduce more plants into their diet. Our nutritionists and chefs have gone a long way in developing delicious and nutritionally complete meal plans that provide over 30 key nutrients. Call us ambitious, but we want to change the world. We set out to encourage people to eat more plants because we believe a healthy planet starts on our plates. And I could not agree more. I love this whole philosophy and this whole idea and concept. And it's one that I think will really gain some more momentum, you know. Like, there will be more companies that provide ready-made meals that are actually healthy. Just because a ready-made meal is ready-made, there is absolutely no reason why it has to be unhealthy, you know. Dr. Alan Desmond, gastroenterologist. He says that Holy is the perfect solution for busy individuals who want to eat like the healthiest people on the planet. I would consider myself one of those people. Dr. Gemma Newman, plant-based doctor, says that if you're a busy individual that needs a helping hand with your diet, Holy meals are the answer. And I consider myself to be one of these people as well. Find out more at eatholy.co.uk. So there you go, that's the little welcome note that they left. I think it's very nice of them. And I'm just going to unpack my meals and get stuck into my Eat Holy. Don't you just love when a fridge looks so organised like this? These are my meals for 3 days, and for the rest of the week I will just cook. So it really helps in lessening the amount of time I spend cooking, and that's why I decided to subscribe. I would definitely recommend trying them out at least once, just to get a feel for how amazing these are. Like, they are fresh, they are complete nutritious meals, and they're delicious. That's a big thing. Like, I wouldn't want to get something just because it's ready-made. I would want to get it because it's delicious, nutritious, and it is convenient. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next video.